is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and another video. So I want to ask all of you a question, and this video is very like impromptu, very just open improv. I mean, raw. I'm not going to edit this video at all. This is just how it is. But the majority of you, 65% to be exact, are not subbed to the channel, and I'm assuming it's because, you know, you're searching for some stuff, you get a quick answer and you bounce, which is great and all. I mean, hey, I do that too, especially for all my DIY videos. But you know, for those of you that are subscribers, for those of you that are watching my content, what are you driving? You know, drop a comment, leave a make and model of your car. If you're watching this video, what is your BMW or German car? I mean, I don't know. I've been getting a lot of people with various messages on just German cars in general. So I'm really interested. Drop a comment. Let me know what car you're driving, because you know, YouTube, it's an interesting thing, and I want to be able to make valuable content for all of you. And obviously, I've built a F30 320i N20 motor. And now I'm on to a 340i B58 motor, and it's fun. It's been a great journey, but now I'm just really curious to what the audience is driving. And I know that all of you are watching these videos, you're watching my DIYs and my reviews and all that jazz, but you know, I don't know. I'm a content creator, I'm a marketer, I do a lot of things, and I want to make sure that I develop content that's up to par for all of you. And with that saying, I gotta know where you're at. I gotta know what kind of content you're watching, what you're into, and stuff, so I can best articulate proper content for all of you. So yeah, guys, I hope that my content has been of a value to all of you. I do spend quite a bit of time making videos, not like this obviously, but you know, my higher end videos with more production involved, and drone and editing and music and all that fun stuff. But this is a very random video that I just want to upload and kind of even test the waters, because my best performing video thus far is a video that was recorded on my phone like this, and it's horrible. I mean, I am not proud of it at all, but hey, for some reason it did really well. And maybe the titling of it, and maybe just the overall content value of it, I don't know, but for some reason you guys liked it. So hey, you may like this video, and if you do, I may do more of these types of videos. So anywho, I'm gonna stop talking, but guys, all of you, thank you for the support. I'm really interested in hearing your thoughts, so please let me know, what are you driving? But other than that, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you sub to the channel, and I'll catch you very soon, family.